Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm super excited to talk to you about this awesome dash cam from a company called Aerophase. This is an up to 4K image quality dash cam. It is a dual channel dash cam, meaning you can have front 2K and rear 1080p recording at the same time, and it comes with everything you need to do that in the box. It's tiny, which I love because it isn't an eyesore on your dash and it doesn't take up a lot of space, and installation is so easy. It supports up to a 256 gigabyte micro SD card slot with loop recording so that you can keep the recordings. If you're ever in a crash or something, you can lock those down. It has an app, and you connect your phone to the camera in order to view live video when you're setting up the camera, as well as to download videos. If you want to do it that way, you can. Just a really cool, really awesome product from Aerophase. So I'm going to talk about all the features and how it works and why I love it so much. Let's start with the quality and what you get as far as the camera goes. Again, it comes with the rear camera that you can attach to the rear of your car and has a super long cord to run it through the body of your car to get all the way up to this camera. And if you're using it in that mode, you're going to get 1080p on the rear camera and full 2K on the front camera. Both cameras are wide angle lenses, so they capture everything, great image quality. Now, if you're just using this as a single dash cam, which is how I'm using it, just for the front, because I don't care so much about the rear, then you get a full 4K 30 frames per second. So that is a really super high resolution so that you can see those license plate numbers if you need to, even street signs. It just comes through really clear. And the image quality on this is great in the day and night. Really great image quality. Everything you can see clearly, what's going on around you. You can read license plate numbers if you need to. But that 4K quality is just really super awesome. Now, what I love about this, besides the fact that it is great for the image, which is the most important part of a dash cam, is how small and sleek it is. It's just really small and sleek. It doesn't take up a lot of space. It's not an eyesore in your car, and it looks great. Unlike a lot of dash cams that have this big, huge suction cup that's stuck to your window, and it's really large, and then also after it's been in the sun for a while, it tends to lose its suction, and then it falls off. With this, really tiny. I mean, that part right there, that's everything that needs to stick. And why is there no sticky pad on this? Well, because their design is brilliant. The part that sticks to your window is separate, and this just slides right out of it and slides in it. So I just slid it out in order to do this review. And even better, they include a installation system that has a static cling window decal clear that goes on your window, and then this sticks to that. It doesn't stick directly to your window. So if you do need to remove it, you just pull that static cling film off, and the sticky pad will come off with it. You don't have to worry about trying to get the sticky residue off your window, because it doesn't actually touch your window. It just touches the static cling part, which is a brilliant design. And they include a couple of those as well as a couple of sticky pads in the box, so no problem at all. And that is just really a great design. It just makes the whole thing very clean and very sleek, and it just looks really good, especially with such a small, slender camera. Now on the back here, you do have this nice LED display. It will display the time. It also has little indicators to let you know if it's recording, or let you know if it's connected to your phone and things like that. So that's great, but it doesn't have the big screen, and that's fine because A, it keeps it sleek, and B, this has Wi-Fi built into it. So you just connect it to your phone through the Wi-Fi, and once you've done that, you can view the live feed of the camera when you're setting it up, and you can also download videos that have been saved to the SD card. So that's great. You can download them that way, or you can take the card out and put it in your computer and view them or download them that way. Either way works. And so I love that you can fully connect to this and see everything and download the videos on your phone, which makes it really easy. Now this supports up to 256 gigabyte micro SD card slot. It does do loop recording. You can change the time of the loop to what works best for you, anywhere from a minute, I think up to like 5 or 6 minutes. So you can set that up inside of the app. as well as all the settings are controllable in the app, and very easy to set this up and get this going. It doesn't require a lot of techie knowledge or anything. You just plug it in. You've got over here on the side, besides a micro SD card slot, you've got your Type-C power port, and then the port that you would plug that rear camera in if you're using that. And then you do also have a button here on the side. It's a programming button, so if you are in an accident, if it detects, senses an accident type of motion, then this will automatically lock that particular loop video, or you can press this button on the side to tell it to lock a video. If you lock a video, it goes in a separate folder and it stays there until you manually remove it. That way, any important video, or if you're in an accident or something, that stays there forever. Now, this does also support 24-hour parking monitoring if you want to do that. In order to do that, you have to hook this up special way so that it's constantly getting power even when your car is off. And there are instructions to do that. If you want to do that, that is possible with this. It's just a really excellent dash cam from Aerophase. Like I said, I love how small and sleek it is, but able to get that 4K resolution if you're using it as single camera, or 2K front and 1080p rear if you're using it in the dual cam setup. The fact that you've got that wide angle that captures everything, great imaging in day or night, and just very simple and very sleek. Nice little voice prompts when you get in your car to start it to let you know it's starting to record, but you can control the volume of those or turn those off in the app. Everything fully controllable in the app. Really excellent product if you're looking for a dash cam for your car and you want something that's sleek and isn't an eyesore, doesn't take up a lot of space, but works great and gets great image quality. Then this camera from Aerophase is definitely one that I would recommend. That is going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions about this camera, just post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.